This is Church Haley.
And I'm April Brooker.
For HalloweenMakeup.com, and we're about to show you how to work with Nye Dirt Powders. Okay, so now you may notice that, well, she's not really made up on this side of her face. Sometimes you just have, your time is better spent to do something really gnarly in one spot, and then what are you going to do to fill out the character for the rest of it? So we're going to do that with dirt. I'm using Nye Dirt Powders. This is that I've decanted into salt shakers. These are perfect for that. Plains Dust, ash powder, and charcoal powder. I'm going to be using the charcoal powder in this dirt bag, and I'm going to be showing you a couple of sweet techniques using this squeeze breeze type summertime cooler and hand sanitizer. How do you dirty someone up with hand sanitizer? This is how. Turn. Oh, that's cold. It's always cold. It's mostly alcohol, but it goes away real fast because of that, so it's ideal. So just a little shake. And the mistake people make here is doing too much blending. You want to see the lines. Leave it there. That's all it needs. Well, maybe her palms got into some ash. So you wet the whole area down, and quick before it dries, you smear things around. Now I'm going to put this on my hand so I don't accidentally drip any of it into her eye. And this can bring a little bit of the skin illustrator up, so gotta be careful and work with it fast. Close your eye. Now this is going to be directional, so look at that. Now I'm going up in a V kind of shape with her neck. Again, that pepper shaker is priceless. And that's all you need. Now this gets kind of a particulated, like a splatter, but you can smudge out one side of it. So it gives you a nice variety of dirt, and you can get real close. Oh, look at that, how it's contouring your muscles. Look how that still left the bones kind of highlighted because it only smeared on top of them. You are looking like you've been through the ringer. I just mix some Plains Dust with water-based makeup in with some water, and until it's just dark enough, because this doesn't get quite dark enough. Make sure you shake it up so it doesn't settle in there, and these unscrew from the bottom. And I put it all in here, and it'll build up around here a little bit, but that's fine. This takes a couple of batteries, and it's dynamite. If you had prosthetics and you had a prosthetic wound, or you had like a prosthetic brow, and I want to make that edge blend in, but I don't have time to sit around messing with it and using a little trying to fill that edge or stipple around it, I can hit this and go, I don't aim it straight at it, but just that light speckling hides the edge because it's in a regular pattern. I think maybe you were near an explosion. Pull your hair back for me and squint as hard as you can. Just really scrunch. Now you can, if they can't scrunch enough, because she's so young, she's not gonna, like, her face isn't really that squinchy. So, this is, you're near an explosion now. Open your eyes. Oh, look at that pattern it made. So this doesn't get in the low parts of the wrinkles. Now make a fist, and you see the definition. Don't want to do it too much to hide that nice work we did with the scraped. But yeah, dirt bags. Look at that. You can cover so many people with dirt, and it's just broad shading. You can shade around your muscles with that. But these dirt bags are priceless. There's a product called Ultra Mud, and you mix a little bit of this powder up in some water, and then you add some brown water-based makeup. You can add some of this into it, and then see, it's smeared like mud. This has got some texture. So that, you can make a gallon of that stuff with just a little bit of this powder. And now you look like you've been running for your life. There you go. Remember, all the materials we used are below. Pay us a visit at HalloweenMakeup.com and tell all your friends.